with TMC here. We're at CES 2012. Now, those of you that have been reading my blog at Tehrani.com for the last couple of years know that I kind of made this prediction that the first thing that social media enabled, and we saw a lot of use of, was people sharing photos. And then the next thing was sharing videos. And I predicted that eventually we're going to have to share everything in life with phones that are cameras that are connected to us all the time so that we can share with our friends everything that's happening all around us. And I know that may sound kind of weird to some of you, but that's going to happen. We're not quite there yet, but at least we've crossed a chasm where we've got some really quality mounts that enable us to take great video of some of the things that we want to share with our friends and relatives. So with that, we're in the Optrix booth. We're speaking with Bill Guthrie. Bill, how are you?
Great, how are you?
Good, so tell us what you've got here in the booth.
Well, basically we have a rugged helmet mount case for the iPhone and the iPod Touch.
So basically what you can do is you mount your iPhone now on top of your helmet. You can show your friends and your relatives what it looks like when you're in a race car, on a motorcycle, where else? Right? Anywhere you have a helmet. Absolutely.
There's so much hardware capability with the Apple devices, with the iPod and the iPhone. We've created a case to allow you to utilize that capability and take pictures from a point of view perspective, and you can mount on your helmet, your motorcycle, your dashboard, what have you, and capture that moment. And we also have apps that actually complement that with some data overlay as well.
So tell us about those apps. What do they do?
Well, one is that we take advantage again of the hardware capabilities where we're utilizing the GPS to monitor speed and also do a breadcrumb of the actual course or track or whatever your terrain you're crossing, and then we use the accelerometers to show you lateral G's, and so that all gets data overlaid on the video that you captured right away and automatically, so when you're done doing that video capture, you can upload it to those social media outlets as you mentioned, and you have the automatic data overlay.
In theory, I guess where we're going is we can also mount these on a hat. It doesn't even have to be a helmet, right? That's kind of
sure.
On your shirt or whatever, right?
Right. We just designed a rugged case because obviously these devices are very expensive. So we wanted to instill confidence and have people utilize those in active situations. And that's essentially what we're doing, is giving you a weatherproof, watertight case that could take that point of view.
Now, what kind of costs are we talking about here?
Well, it's under $100, so that's the good news. So you've already made the investment on the phone. Our product is $89.99 retail, so it's a low cost of entry with the robust POV system.
So what's next for the company?
What's next is a lot of complementing pieces to the product. We're only 6 weeks old, so this is very cool for us, and we've got a good reception, but we're looking at wide-angle lenses, maybe some additional like RAM mounts, chest mounts, and just things to accommodate the existing hardware that Apple puts out right now.
Very exciting.
Yes.
Thanks for being on the program.
Thank you.